Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you have an Apple device, it's time to make sure you update your devices. There's a Apple zero-click iMessage exploit, and it is already used to infect iPhones with spyware. So, of course, we talk about Apple security from time to time, as Windows users might have an iPad, an iPhone, or even a Mac computer. So basically, it is a zero-click exploit chain. And what happens is that if you're not fully patched, it can easily take control of your device. It's two bugs that are actually being tracked, both of them 0 days exploited in the wild. And it is actually said to be very important to make sure that you update the devices. So basically what happens is that threat actors can gain code execution in an unpatched iPhone and iPad devices, and that it triggers a buffer overflow that can also be used maliciously crafted images, and of course bypasses security in general. So the affected devices, iPhone 8 or later, iPad Pro all models, iPad Air 3rd generation or later, iPad 5th generation and later, iPad Mini 5th generation and later. Also, Macs that are running macOS Ventura and Apple Watch Series 4 and later are all affected by this flaw. And so you should be, of course, making sure that you update your operating system so that you are at the latest version of your system, because that's how you stay safe. Once again, this is already exploited in the wild. There are out there hackers that have malicious messages, iMessages, and crafted images that could exploit this flaw and turn your devices into a nightmare if you're not careful. So make sure that you update your Apple devices to the latest version. Check it out. It's important if you want to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.